Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to reset Facebook settings to default on iPhone. If you want to make your Facebook account to default settings, then this video is for you. To make your settings to default, first of all, open your settings. From here, hit on the general. Now, go through the iPhone storage and then search for Facebook and do offload app. Once you do offload app, reinstall it again and check if it is done to default setting or not. If it is not, then what you have to do is press hard on the Facebook application and hit on the remove app and then reinstall it. Once you reinstall it, your Facebook setting will be set to default. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.